and you really had. Have you ever wondered how long your favorite TV shows can go on for? With over 3 decades of laughter and memorable moments, The Simpsons has undoubtedly left a significant cultural impact on television. But how much longer can it last? Well, wonder no more. Co-showrunner Al Jean has hinted that we might just witness over 1,000 episodes of our beloved series. As of now, we have 768 episodes, but with the show's current success, reaching 800 seems like a breeze. And beyond that, the future looks bright for The Simpsons. Now, let's talk about something that's sure to make your day. Danny DeVito, an iconic actor and a staple in Hollywood, is returning to The Simpsons for its season, an opener on September 29th. DeVito will be reprising his role as Herb Powell, Homer's long-lost half-brother who made appearances in seasons 2 and 3. The 36th season of The Simpsons promises a host of other famous faces like John Cena, Tom Hanks, Conan O'Brien, and Joel McHale. The season premiere, titled Bart's Birthday, will revolve around Bart, who will experience the most astounding birthday party ever, one that could potentially alter the lives of every resident in Springfield. But with The Simpsons being on air for so long, one might wonder if the writers will eventually exhaust their ideas. However, with the show's ability to stay relevant and offer insightful social commentary each week, it's hard to imagine it ending anytime soon. In short, The Simpsons has undoubtedly left a significant cultural imprint on television, and with its current success, it's sure to continue doing so for years to come. So be sure to catch Danny DeVito and other guest stars when The Simpsons comes back on September 29th on Fox. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, he's watching. Summer or dinner, then use dinner or dinner, then a big deal about all of that. And then summer goes new, because I see the system. I hope that this